Hi Pranesh,
Hello,
what are you doing?
I'm just catching up some emails.
Isn't it time to sleep?
Oh, what's the time now? Oh, it's 10:45. Yeah, it's time to sleep, but it's Friday today. So I thought we can have some nice time today. And what do you think?
What are you going to do?
I thought I can make some quick chicken.
Now?
Yeah.
It's 10:40.
Let's just make it in another 20 minutes. I'm just gonna make some very quick chicken recipe. It's called pepper chicken. So I'm just gonna have just salt and pepper and chicken. That's it. I'll just make it. I'll bet you I'll just complete it in 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
All right.
Let's check the time now. The time is 10:45 in the night. Let's see if you can make it in another 20
I'll make
minutes.
it right now. Okay.
All right, let's see.
So what we are going to do is just put the vessel there and let's just wait for a few more minutes and let's get this warmed up. Added some coconut oil, what you can see here. So now it's warmed up, so I'm just gonna directly put raw chicken here. So now I'm gonna add some salt here, and you can just close the lid. Probably 10 minutes. I think that would be sufficient. So now I'm gonna add 3 spoons of pepper, the black pepper. So what you can see here, just you can make it and then you can just mix it well. So now I just added it and then I'm gonna start mixing it. So now I'm gonna see, it has been probably about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna see how it's being cooked. Let me open that. Wow, it's nicely done. Wow, you can see it's like kind of crispy here and there. And again, I think during this 15 minutes, I think I mixed it probably about a couple of times just to make sure all the pieces are mixed up very well and keeps ups and down. So you can see it's very nice. So I just put that in a low flame, and probably I think it will be done in another probably about 5 minutes. I think then we can take this off. So I'm just gonna close this again.
So Pranesh, are you done?
Oh yes, I'm done. I'm just done. I'm just gonna show you a nice yummy chicken. So is that 20 minutes over, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
okay.
lost the bet.
Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. You can see, let me take this out. It's a little hot, so we have to be a little careful. Wow. So much of smoke. Oh, it's nicely done. So I'm just gonna transfer the chicken here. So what you can see. Okay, let me make it. So you can see lots of oil here. So I'm just gonna make it on the chicken, so it will be little more yummy. Wow, so it's really nicely done. So I'm just okay. So you can see it's a very nice pepper chicken. Like I said, I just added only salt and pepper, nothing else. So let me take a quick fork here. Okay, so I'm just gonna taste this. So you can see it's very soft, and you can see that. So I'm just gonna have it. Oh, it's hot. Mmm. It's really nice. You can see how this would be so tasty because we just added up only salt and pepper. It was inspired by my aunt who's back in India in Coimbatore. You know, the way we make it low flame and just put it for about 20-25 minutes, so it makes us so yummy. So you can definitely try at your home. All right. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.